A balloon of diameter 20 meter weighs 100 kg. Calculate its payload. This is very important concept. Payload if it is filled with helium at 1 atmosphere and 27 degrees centigrade. Density of air is given as 1.2 kg per meter cube. R value 0.082 decimeter cube atmosphere, Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Now here what is the payload? We know the payload is given as the difference in the mass. This is the mass of air displaced, minus mass of filled balloon, mass of filled balloon. So if I am taking this particular one, how I am going to take this mass of filled balloon? So mass of air displaced, we are going to take the formula as mass of air displaced minus mass of filled balloon can be taken as mass of balloon material. It is going to be the mass of balloon material plus mass of helium gas, that is going to be the total mass of filled balloon. Now if I am taking this in the further way, how can I write in a simple formula? Payload can be written as payload is equals to mass of air displaced. We can write this one as density of air into volume minus density of air into volume minus mass of balloon plus mass of helium can be written as number of moles of helium into molar mass. Now how can I make this? Density into volume. Volume can be written as 1 by 6 pi into d cube. Remember, if I am taking a sphere, if it is having a radius r, then the volume is 4/3 pi r cube. If I am having a sphere, if I am having a diameter is d, then I can write volume is 1 by 6 pi into d cube. So whichever one I have, the data which is given to me, as per the data I can take. If radius is given, volume is 4/3 pi r cube here. If diameter is given directly, I can use the formula 1 by 6 pi d cube minus mass of the balloon is already given 100 kg plus number of moles can be written as pressure into volume by RT into molar mass is 4. Now I am going to find this separately. Mass of air displaced can be taken in this particular one. Mass of air displaced is equals to air displaced is given with the simple formula density. Density is given how much? 1.2 into 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into density cube. If I am taking density cube is 20 whole cube, which is taken. If you substitute, we get an answer which is 4190.47 meter cube into 1.2, which is equals to, where you can take this one as 5028.56 kg. 5028.56 kg. This is mass of air displaced, the first part we got. Now mass of helium we'll take. Mass of helium is equals to, we have PV by M into, PV by RT into 4. We get this one in grams, so convert into kilograms, minus 3 kg, which can be written as pressure is given as 1 atmosphere and the volume we are going to take this one as 4190.47, which we got the volume over here, into 10 power 3 liters into 10 power minus 3 by RT can be written as 0.082 into temperature is taken as 300. If we are substituting this data, we get an answer which is equals to 681.37 kgs. So now we got mass of helium, we got volume of the air. What is the volume? We got this one. See this part, 1 by 6 into pi d cube. This value is 4190.47. I substituted the same value over here so that the PV is equal to NRT, because mass of volume of helium gas is nothing but volume of air occupied before. So the volume of air or volume of helium gas remains the same. So I'm using the same volume in both the cases, but it is given in meter cube. So to convert 1 meter cube is equals to 10 power 3 liters. So multiply with 10 power 3, and so 4190.47 into 10 power 3, that will be the volume in liters. This total part becomes the volume in liters. Clear, children? Now that's the simple point. First you have to remember. Now payload can be written as payload is equals to 5028.56 minus of 100 plus 681.37 kilograms kg. So when you take this particular one, if you substitute, we are getting an answer 4247.18 kg, and this will be your payload. The payload where the difference in the mass of gas filled with lighter gas like helium responsible for the uplift of the balloon, which can be given with an answer 4247 kg. So this is the payload.